Another day, another chance, another way, another time. Today I'm discussing to you all about this quiz that I'm going to be doing right now. This is a quiz that I'm going to be doing right now. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. File writer is designed for writing character data to files. Which method is used to write a single character using file writer? The write_int_c method of file writer writes a single character. Which class provides buffering for efficient writing of text data to files? It's buffered writer. It wraps a file writer and provides efficient character output by reducing disk I/O in general. What does the append method of file writer do? Add text to the end of the file. With the append method, adds new content to the existing file content without erasing it. Which of the following correctly closes the file writer? If they're safely close the file stream and releases resources. Now, what does the writer class in Java primary handle? Writing text data to a file. The writer class in Java is used for writing character text data to output streams like files. It is part of the character stream hierarchy. And then, unlike byte streams used for binary data, which of the following is true about writer and reader classes in Java I and O? And then reader and writer classes in Java I and O are designed to handle character-based data, such as a text file. Which of the following is a subclass of writer? Writer in Java. It also says output stream writer. The writer class in Java is used for writing character text data to output streams like files. It is part of the character stream hierarchy, unlike byte streams used for binary data. You have completed 8 out of 8 questions. Your accuracy is 100% in general. So you've completed 8 out of 8 questions. So yeah, so it's pretty much 100%. You know, so yeah, that's pretty much what it is. You know what I mean? So yeah, until next time, take care and have a nice day.